Aloha, seventh graders. I just wanted to give you a rundown of today's February 25th lesson. And you see when you open up the Google class assignments, the Hawaii history notes updated is the one that now has your real history notes that you've been building this whole time in Hawaii history. And you can see the blue letters are the quick history of Hawaii by Cliff Langston. And when you peruse through all this, I have added the blue notes showing you in blue letters what he is saying that may be more added with dates and a Western perspective versus the black letters that had to do with the real history of Hawaii. So what you can do is open up your Hawaii history notes, side by side it in your Google Chromebook or your personal computer, and find the blue that I wrote. You can highlight and paste what I wrote and add it on yours. Then you could submit it on March 4th, no later, as your completed notes with a mixture of both the Western perspective and the Hawaiian perspective of what happened in the history of Hawaii. The next step, once you have your notes all compiled together, is students today, you will see I sent you this Hawaii history exam preparation. And as a team, together, each of you are going to commit to researching one of these 12 areas and topics. You will use your notes, your Hawaii history notes, but also if you need more information, you may, like researchers that you've already done, you're experts at this from National History Day now, you may have to go back and Google topic, find a website with this information, right? For example, students in the last class, they've already signed up. You can see you could either choose researcher 1 or researcher 2. You get 10 points for this for signing up. But for example, here's one. On the right column are topics and words to look up. On the left column is the actual content standard. So content standard SS, social studies, 7 for 7th grade. Hawaii History Kingdom 2.9.3 says, analyze how the sandalwood and whaling industries impacted Hawaii economy. And both our Real History of Hawaii video that we watched all last semester and the 25-minute video we just looked at, the Western version, the quick history of Hawaii, wasn't in detail. So you might have to highlight, for example, Griffin signed up for this, right? Highlight, for example, the impacts of sandalwood in Hawaii and find the information. Also the impacts of whaling. We know that the fur trade died and the economy that in the next 10 years that increased was sandalwood. And what's amazing is the Hawaiian Islands are one of the only that have 6 species of the sandalwood. And sandalwood, you'll study when you look at this up on research. You researchers are good at this. Like I said, you'll find, for example, if this was your assignment that you chose when you put your name on it, you'll find that sandalwood was very aromatic. It was, the Great Britain really liked it. They wanted it for ornamental reasons, and it boomed for 10 years. And then finally it started changing, moving into the sugar economy. But that's an example. If you, for example, Griffin chose this box right underneath here, you would answer in 5 to 8 sentences the information you see above here. So this is the topic in the standard, but these are keywords and things you could look at as you answer in 5 to 8 sentences, just this one section. referring to your notes, and researching. So yes, as a team, we are putting this Honu, we're compiling this all together, and also Mono, we're compiling this all together. And when we get together again, you'll be able to share, we all will, an overview of Hawaii history in relation to the notes that we have and in relation to the standards that we are to master. So happy researching, fill your one section in, and also turn in your final notes for 100 points on the Hawaii history notes. Both things are due March 4th. Aloha.